We're asked which laptop feature allows you to overcome standard keyboard size restrictions. So if you have a full-size keyboard for your computer, you might not have this issue, but if you're working with a laptop like something I have, here, check this out. Let me turn the camera around. If you have a keyboard like this, you can see that the FN row is combined with other little things right here, right? You can see other little symbols on it. And the way we can access the FN row is by holding down this FN button. So pressing it, holding it, and then we can go ahead and press these buttons. And they're multifunctional. So it controls the brightness, but it can also control other things if I have it set to that. My cat is so loud. So we're just gonna try to get through this as fast as we can. Which laptop feature allows you to overcome standard keyboard size restrictions? It's not gonna be a touchpad. That's going to be, this is actually a trackpad. Touchpad might be something different, but I think touchpad and trackpad are kind of the same thing. And then we have numeric keyboard. That's going to be, you know how some computers have little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 off to the side? That would be what that is. And in compact laptops, you don't have a numeric keypad. You have your FN key. A digitizer is going to be completely different. That would be if you had like a touch screen. It would register your touches. This is not touchscreen. So FN key is the answer. That is the laptop feature that will allow you to overcome standard keyboard size restrictions.